Imagine turning $0 into a $10,000 crypto portfolio, without gambling, without hype, and without needing a finance degree. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, you're going to learn how to go from $0 to $10,000 in crypto, step by step. You'll get the exact tools, strategies, timelines, and even mistakes to avoid so you can build a strong crypto portfolio from scratch. Subscribe to our channel and stick around to the end because we'll also reveal the final strategy that helped push this portfolio over the 10K mark, something most beginners miss entirely. Step number 1, get the right tools. Before jumping into the world of crypto, it's crucial to have the right tools at your fingertips. You can't build a house without a toolbox, and the same logic applies here. You'll need a reliable exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, where you can safely buy and sell your crypto assets. These platforms are known for their user-friendly interfaces and strong security measures. Once you buy your coins, you shouldn't leave them on the exchange forever. For long-term storage, a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor offers maximum protection. If you prefer something quicker and mobile, non-custodial wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet are solid options. You'll also want to track your performance, which is where portfolio apps like CoinStats or Delta come in. They let you monitor your holdings across multiple platforms in real time. And don't forget taxes. Yes, even in crypto. Tools like Coinly or CoinTracker can help organize your transactions come tax season. Getting these tools set up from the beginning puts you on a path of clarity, security, and structure, something that many new investors ignore and later regret. Step number 2, start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. When you're starting from zero, the smartest move is to keep things simple. That's why Bitcoin and Ethereum should be your foundation. Bitcoin is the OG, digital gold that stood the test of time. Ethereum is the engine behind decentralized apps, NFTs, and smart contracts. They're not just coins, they represent two different but equally powerful movements in crypto. A balanced start might look like 60% Bitcoin and 40% Ethereum, but instead of trying to predict the perfect time to buy, use a technique called dollar cost averaging. That just means you buy small amounts regularly, whether the market is up or down. This strategy helps you avoid emotional decisions and smooths out volatility. Over a couple of months, you'll find yourself with a healthy $500 stake in two of the most trusted digital assets. Step number 3, gradually expand with altcoins. Once your portfolio grows to around $1,000, it's time to start looking beyond the big two. Altcoins are where things get interesting. Projects like Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, and Polygon bring fresh innovations to the table, and investing in them can be rewarding, but only if you do your homework. You should spend time researching what these coins do, who is behind them, and what problems they're solving. Avoid hype and focus on fundamentals like token supply, development activity, and community strength. Start small, maybe $100 to $150 per coin, and avoid going all in. The goal is to add diversity to your portfolio and gain exposure to different areas of the crypto ecosystem. More than anything, this phase is about learning. You'll begin to see how altcoins behave differently from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some shoot up fast, others take time, and some may fade away completely. This stage gives your portfolio more flavor and helps you grow as a crypto investor. Step number 4, track and rebalance. As your portfolio starts to climb, tracking your performance becomes more than just a habit. It becomes a necessity. It's easy to get lost in the numbers, but portfolio tracking apps like CoinStats, Delta, or Blockfolio make it easier to see where you stand. Every month or two, it's smart to review how your holdings are doing. Maybe one coin has grown a lot and now takes up too much of your portfolio. In that case, you might want to sell some of it and reinvest it into other promising projects. This process is called rebalancing, and it helps you avoid having too much exposure to one asset. It also forces you to think logically instead of emotionally. The crypto market is full of noise, so staying grounded with regular check-ins keeps you focused on your long-term goals. Step number 5, dive into small-cap projects. When your portfolio hits the $2,500 to $3,000 mark, you unlock a new level, the small-cap zone. These are newer, lesser-known cryptocurrencies that have massive upside potential but come with equally massive risks. This is where real research pays off. You might use platforms like DEX Tools to track trending tokens, Twitter to keep up with trusted analysts, and Etherscan to monitor developer activity. If you find a hidden gem early, it can seriously boost your overall returns. Step number 6, journey from $0 to $10,000. Getting from $0 to $10,000 in crypto doesn't happen overnight. It's not a movie montage. It's a slow grind that requires patience. In the first 2 months, your goal should be to build a solid $500 to $700 base with Bitcoin and Ethereum. By month 3 or 4, you start adding altcoins, growing your total to around $1,800. Then you bring in small cap plays during months 5 and 6, pushing you toward $3,000 or $4,000. Months 7 and 8 are when things start to click. Gains begin compounding, and smart rebalancing gives your portfolio new energy. By the 9th month, you're edging closer to $6,000. With some smart exits and passive income strategies, you'll cross that $10,000 mark around month 12. The key throughout is consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and make smart decisions regularly. Step number 7, add passive income to speed. Things up. If you want to reach your $10,000 goal faster, you'll want to explore passive income options within crypto. Staking is one of the easiest ways to earn while holding. By staking Ethereum or coins like Polygon, you get rewarded just for helping secure the network. Then there's liquidity providing, where you offer your tokens to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and earn a share of transaction fees. Lending platforms like Aave or Compound let you lend stablecoins to others and collect interest. These strategies might not make you rich overnight, but they can add an extra 6 to 12% return per year without much effort. Over time, those returns compound and can significantly boost your portfolio. Passive income makes your money work harder, especially when combined with your main growth strategies. Step number 8, learn from mistakes. Every investor makes mistakes. Some are small and others feel like punches to the gut. But what matters is how you respond. Chasing meme coins might seem fun until one of them vanishes overnight and takes your money with it. You might over-diversify and realize that managing too many assets just confuses you. Or maybe you hold on to a pumped coin too long and watch your profits disappear. These moments sting, but they also teach. You learn to research better, to stick to your plan, and to walk away when something doesn't feel right. Mistakes are part of the process, not something to be ashamed of. They're often the most valuable lessons you'll get in crypto. Final step, $10,000 milestone. When you finally hit the $10,000 mark, your portfolio should reflect both your strategy and your journey. At this point, a healthy breakdown could look like this: 35% Bitcoin for stability, 25% Ethereum for growth, 20% in high-conviction altcoins, 10% in speculative small-cap coins, and 10% in stable coins to stay flexible. This setup allows you to stay balanced while still being open to new opportunities. You've built something strong, but not rigid. You've got room to adapt, room to grow, and enough safety nets to protect your capital. This allocation shows maturity. It's no longer about chasing hype, but building lasting value. So now that you've seen exactly how to grow a crypto portfolio from $0 to $10,000, step by step, what's holding you back from getting started today? Let us know in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.